In front of me is a CAT S52, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into fastboot mode. So to get started, we'll need to power it off by holding the power key. And once the device shuts off, you then want to hold power key and a volume down, both of them at the same time. And when you see the CAT logo, you can let go. From here, scroll down using volume keys and select reboot to bootloader and confirm it with power key. And we should just be in fastboot momentarily. And there we go. So you can see right on the bottom, fastboot mode. So we're now in the desired mode. So that's how you would boot into it. And if you want to boot out of it and leave this mode, you will have to hold power key, volume down till the screen turns off. So simply watch for the fastboot mode to disappear from the screen. There we go. And hold power key to turn on the device. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.